Hi everyone, welcome back to JDCodebase. In this video, we are going to talk about data types in JavaScript. This is one of the most important basics because every program deals with the data, and knowing how JavaScript store processes it will save you from lot of bugs later. So now why should we even care about data types? Well, think of it in this way. If you know whether you are working with a number, text or objects, your code will much more predictable and easier to debug. Also, data type help you decide the right tool for right task, like whether you need a string or a text or a number for calculation. Trust me, you will be using them in function, condition, loops and API, and even working with APIs. So in JavaScript, data types are broadly divided into two categories: primitive types and non-primitive types. Primitive types which are single values and immutable. Non-primitive types which can hold multiple values like objects, array and functions. So let's first look at primitive types. We have numbers like 42, 3.14 and booleans which are the true or false value string like hello, null which represent no value, undefined which means a variable was declared but never assigned, symbol a unique identifier, and finally BigInt which is used for really large integer. Then we have non-primitive type. The main one here is the object. Object can store multiple key value pairs like name John, age 25. Arrays are also object but used for order lists like apple, banana, cherry. Function are object too but they are callable. And we also have built-in objects like new date function. So there is a type of operator now. One of the quickest way to check data types in JavaScript is by using the type of operator. Here is a quick reference table now, and we will try this out in code as well. So like type of operator is 42 is a number, for hello it is gives string. So let's see some example directly in code here. If I run this code, this gives age is a number, this gives a number data type, name for hello, this gives string is active true, this give boolean, empty value null, this give an object. This is special case in the JavaScript. For null this give object. Let not assign, the value is undefined, unique ID symbol, this give symbol, big number 1 2 3 and this give big int. For non-primitive data types, for this object, type of object is the object, type of fruits array is the object also, type of function greet is a function, a inbuilt object is like new date function, this gives an date object. So here are some the example for this. So here are some quick notes before we wrap up. Always try to use the correct data type for clarity. Remember that null show up as an object. That is actually a historic bug in JavaScript, and that cannot be fixed now. Arrays and functions are just special kind of objects. And if you ever get confused, just use type of operator to quickly check the type. So that is the for this video on data types in JavaScript. Now you know the difference between primitive and non-primitive types and how to check them using typeof. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to JDCodebase for more short and practical coding tutorial. See you in the next one.